Welcome back. This is how to become an automotive locksmith. I have been making keys to cars the day I got my driver's license at 16 years old, and one day I got my driver's license, and the first thing I did is load up the trunk of the car with tools so I could go out there and make keys to cars. I was opening cars like crazy. I'm only 16. We had a family locksmith business, so I'm opening up cars. It was so easy back in those days. A Slim Jim, a flat piece of band steel we made, and a coat hanger. And I had a chrome plated coat hanger because people got upset if I took their coat hanger and opened up their door with the buttons and made a little shepherd's hook and opened it. They got mad and they didn't want to pay. But if I took out the shiny, chrome coat hanger and opened up their door, they just thought I was a genius. I've been doing this a long time, been making keys to cars, and actually it was very easy when I was a kid and teenager and then into my 20s. Cars were a mechanical key. If you had the keys, a lot of the automotive had the key codes. It was a fun business, and not too many people did it. Which brings us to nowadays in automotive locksmithing. We have transponder keys. We have chips within the keys. Now we have prox keys that don't even require you to plug it into the car. You just put it in your pocket, go up to your car. I got a brand new Toyota. I go up into my just walk up to the door, pull the door handle, it opens up. I sit in the car, push the button, and away I go. Now, some people say this creates less opportunity for locksmiths, but the dealers are extremely expensive. Sometimes we're about the same price, but the customer doesn't have to tow the car. We can go on site, make keys to the car. It's becoming more complex, but it's actually becoming a little bit easier. We can now plug into the vehicles and make keys to it and program our keys. So automotive locksmithing, even though it's more complex, has become extremely more profitable. To make keys to some of the new cars, the customers are looking at hundreds or sometimes thousands of dollars from the dealership. So we can make keys to cars way less than the dealerships. Sometimes we're similar price, but a lot of times we're more convenient. We show up, plus we're 7 days a week, 24 hours a day if you want to do that as well. So if you want to become an automotive locksmith, join our program and you will learn how to become an automotive locksmith. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.